Okay, so due to the findings from the examination, we located some areas of the spine which aren't moving as they should do. So in this patient, we discovered this region, what we term the upper thoracic spine. The technique I'd use to mobilise this region is the chiropractic adjustment, which is known as high velocity, low amplitude, which is a very, very effective tool, very powerful tool. Okay, so this technique I'm going to be mobilising the lumbar spine, the lower back. Okay, so you palpate the joints to locate the region which isn't moving, and it also makes the adjustment specific. And can you take a breath in? And all the way out. Good. Is that okay?
Yeah.